Secure, private and safe are three things that come to mind with this beautiful 1950s home here in Roslyn. The property is fully fenced, so it's perfect for your kids and your pets. Come on through, let's have a look. This Axminster carpet has to be the best, the hardest wearing carpet ever. You're gonna love it. This 165 square metre home was built with quality and has massive living areas. Check out this large lounge and the French doors leading out to the quaint secret garden. Plus we have this large open plan kitchen, dining and family living area with oodles of space, complete with branch slider. This home is perfect for all your entertaining needs. With 3 good bedrooms, all with wardrobes, this home has plenty of storage. Close to the CBD, the Vogel Street shops, Freiburg High School, Ross Intermediate, the Memorial Park, the River Walks, what else could you want? This home is perfect for your family. Give us a call today to have a look through. My name's Charles Allen. Keep it classy, Palmy.